Hi students, 12th standard accountancy chapter 5 admission of partner exercise sum number 9. Let's read the question. Anand and Suman are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Saran for 1/5 share. He acquires entirely from Anand. Find out the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. First let's explain the question. Okay. Anand and Suman both are old partners. Whose profit sharing ratio is old profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Okay. They admit Saran for 1/5 share. So Saran is a new partner who has 1/5 share. Okay. Which he acquires entirely from Anand. Which means Saran is a new partner who has 1/5 share. That 1/5 share entirely acquired from old partner Anand. Okay. Find out the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. What they asked, they didn't give a new profit sharing ratio. This is the different situation. They asked two questions to calculate new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. If they ask two questions, first we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. From the sacrificing ratio only you can find out the new profit sharing ratio. So for that you are going to first find out the sacrificing ratio. Listen. Who are the old partners? Saran, Anand and Suman. First we are going to apply what they given in the question. As it is we are going to apply that as the answer. Okay. So what is the old sharing ratio? 3:2. Old sharing ratio belongs to whom? Old partner. Who are the old partner? Anand and Suman. So their old sharing ratio is 3:2 means 3/5 for Anand and 2/5 for Suman respectively. Okay. Then Saran is admitted as a new partner who has 1/5 share. Okay. Which 1/5 share entirely acquires from the old partner Anand. Listen here carefully. At the time of admission of a new partner, old partners sacrifice their portion of a share of his profit to the new partner only. New partner will get the share from the profit. Okay. If the old partner didn't sacrifice their share of profit to the new partner didn't get the share of profit. Okay. So for that here, the old partner Anand who sacrifices is the share of profit, one portion of the profit. Sacrifices is a share of profit to give it to the Saran. Okay. So Anand sacrifice 1/5 share of profit and give it to Saran. Now we are going to find out the old profit sharing. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. Okay. Who sacrifices the ratio? Old partners only sacrifices their profit sharing ratio. So we are going to write the heading is old partner sacrificing ratio. Who are the old partner? Anand and Suman. Who is sacrificing their share of profit? Anand only sacrifices the share of profit. How much? 1/5. So Suman also a old partner. Is he sacrifice any share of profit? No. Suman didn't sacrifice any share of his profit. So 0. Okay. So the sacrificing ratio is 1/5:0. But if they ask in the sacrificing in the ratio form, you didn't give the answer 1/5:0. So for that you have to cancel the denominator value. Then you will get 1:0. The sacrificing ratio is 1:0. Now we are going to find out the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Let's take Anand, the old partner. Anand's old profit sharing ratio is 3/5. Then Anand sacrifices his share of profit 1/5 to give it to new partner Saran. Okay. So we are going to find out this new profit sharing ratio. So for that we are going to subtract old profit sharing ratio minus the sacrificing ratio. You will get the new profit sharing ratio for Anand. Got it? So here denominator is given same denominator. Same number is the denominator. So we are going to subtract directly. If the given denominator same number, you can subtract directly. You can subtract or addition. You can make the subtraction and the addition directly. So you are going to write the denominator 5 and numerator you are going to subtract the numerator 3 minus 1, you will get 2. So 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is the Anand's new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so new profit sharing ratio Anand is to Suman is to Saran. Anand's new profit sharing ratio after subtraction is sacrificing ratio from old share. Anand's new profit sharing ratio is 2 by 5. And Suman's new profit sharing ratio, Suman didn't sacrifice any share of his profit. So the same share of profit you are going to enter, old share you are going to enter into new share 2 by 5. And Saran is the new partner, he has 1 by 5 which is entirely acquired from Anand the old partner. So Saran is a new partner, 1 by 5 means this is the new profit sharing ratio, which means new profit sharing ratio. So Saran's new profit sharing ratio is 1 by 5. So the new profit sharing ratio is 2 by 5 is to 2 by 5 is to 1 by 5. But if they ask the answer in the ratio form, you didn't give like this. So for that you are going to cancel the denominator value, then you will get 2 is to 2 is to 1. The new profit sharing ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it in the comment box. Thank you. Take care. Please subscribe my channel.